Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Good morning, Kuya Pogi.
Okay, so welcome po sa town ng Peña Blanca, which is Peña Blanca is one of the municipality of Cagayan Province po. So ang word po na Peña Blanca came from the Spanish word, ibig niyang sabihin is Peña means rock, Blanca means white po. As you can see, ito yung cave na explore po natin. We have the Callao Cave. Ang Callao Cave natin, meron siyang 7 chambers with 5 natural skylight po. When we say skylight, yun yung butas itas na yun po yung source of light ng cave. Which is mismong cave natin, may chapel po kung saan ginanap yung Filipino movie na The Mistress. Si Bea and John Lloyd Cruz. Aside from Callao Cave activity, pwede din ninyong itry yung boating po sana natin kung hindi lang po sana malapit ilog natin. Ang river natin, ang name po niyan is Pinakanawan River. Ang Pinakanawan River natin is one of the tributaries of Cagayan River, and Cagayan River is the longest river here in the Philippines po. Kasi nga po, nag-start siya from Aurora Province down to Aparri Delta po. And then ngayon, andito tayo sa bayan ng Peña Blanca. Which is Peña Blanca, meron po tayong more than 300 caves na na-discover dito. Hindi lang po yung Callao Cave. So yun yung reason kaya tong town namin known siya as Cave Capital of the Philippines po. Kaya dito sa town namin, maraming cave kasi nga po, ang composition ng mga bato na naririto sa town namin, mostly mga limestone. And aside from Callao Cave, meron din tayong Sierra Cave dito, na ang Sierra Cave, adventure cave siya kasi nga po, you need to crawl in a mud before kayo maka-exit. Before natin marating yung cave, 184 steps yung akitin natin, pero every 20 to 30 steps naman, there's some bench para pwede kayo makapagpahinga in case na napagod. May mga rules and regulation lang din naman po tayo na dapat sundin. So first, no vandalism, no shouting, and most of all, garbage in, garbage out tayo. We have also 7 key ethics. So first, take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, kill nothing but time. Add nothing but the love for nature, add nothing but the pleasure for our enjoyments. Just bring home your good memories and burn a lot of calories in your fats. So, are we ready for caving na po ba?
Okay.
Let's go po. So, yung week po natin.